My name is Jeremiah. I help lead the assembly team here at Musco.
My daily work is forever changing,
We're constantly looking for new ways to satisfy our customers' needs.
and that is what's kept me excited about my time here at Musco.
I've had the pleasure of working on the relight of some amazing projects that I worked on when I first started.
To upgrade our customers' needs with the benefit of newest technology available. In my time here, Musco has given me multiple opportunities to grow in myself, and they trust you enough to help work you into leadership roles to help direct your own teams. I've got to handle and be a part of many worldwide projects. Little did I know during the build process of the Wadi Bridge in Jordan that I would actually get to experience the installation as well. That was probably one of the coolest experiences that I've had during my time here. Musco really focuses on making sure that you have fun every day while you're working. We're fortunate to have a small team, yet growing, that we managed to maintain friendships outside of work as well as at work. It makes the days more enjoyable. I'm Jeremiah, and I'm proud to be a part of Team Musco.